Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about the job opportunities after the 10th pass of a student. Many of the parents in the India does not know what jobs are there after the 10th pass of any child. So I will discuss everything vividly in this video. What jobs can a child apply just after completing 10th pass? Suppose any parent is unable to give higher education to the child due to financial crisis or many other problems, so they should not worry and they should know what are the job opportunities that a child can get after the matriculation exam. He is securing or she is securing good marks, also he or she can get job, very good job. And what are the jobs available in India, government jobs? You should understand as a parents, you should understand it very clearly. Even the students who are studying in class 10th also, they should understand what jobs they can apply after the complete 10th. Right? So let us come to discuss what are the jobs available after class 10th. So here you see in 7 departments a child can get the job just after completing the 10th. Number 1, government job after class 10th is Railways department or department of railways is one of the best, where many students who have completed 10th they can get the job, or the person who has only the qualification of 10th they can get the job. Next, government jobs after class 10th, defense. In defense also the persons who are having only class 10th certificate or matriculation certificate, they can also get opportunities to work in the defense department. Then government jobs after 10th in staff selection commission. SSC staff selection commission also selects a number of students or number of people who are having the qualification just 10th, they can get jobs in different departments of the government of India. Next, government jobs after class 10th, Anganwadi jobs. You know, Anganwadi jobs, there are also enormous scope for the girl student or for the male students also having the class 10th, that is qualification. Next, government jobs for class 10th pass in various states in all over India. All states having the different projects and even different departments where the students can or the person having the class 10th they can also get the jobs. Government is PSU after class 10th. Agar PSU public sector unit, some people or some student or some person who are having only 10th qualification, they are interested to job or do job in that PSU, they also can be eligible for that jobs. So we will discuss vividly. Government jobs in Gramin Dak Sevak, that is GDS or postal department after class 10, this is also very good job and having very high demand in India now. So let us come, we will discuss one after another. Number 1, government job after class 10th in railways. It is well established fact that the Indian Railways is among the largest employers in the country. In our country, railways or Indian Railway is the largest employer. Many people, that the highest number of people are working in this. It provides job opportunity to millions of people. It is among the top branches which are known for providing 10th class, 10th pass government job. Candidates must note that the RRB, Railway Recruitment Board Group D exam offers a tremendous number of job opportunities, and some of which are mentioned in the table below. Also, in the case of apprenticeships, candidates who possess an ITI certificate will have a higher number of posts available to those to choose from them. Because in railway department or in Indian Railway, the students who are having the qualification ITI, they can get enough opportunities for the technical posts. No? So let us come discuss one by one. Number 1, RRB Group D, Railway Recruitment Board Group D exam is carrying out every year, and any student after class 10th the desired matriculation qualification, he or she can attend the job. You see how many posts are there. Post number 1, helper, fitter, cabinman, keyman, laborman, porter, shunter, switchman, trackman, again welder. All these posts are there in Indian Railways. Age is 18 to 33 years of age. All are having the age limit 18 to 33. All over India, they will have to work all over India, and their salary will be level 1, 7th CPC. 7th Central Pay Commission is having the level 1 salary that is above 18,000 per month, so they will be eligible to get that salary. Next, RRB ALP, Railway Recruitment Board, ITI, those who are having the ITI qualification after 10th, they can get better opportunity. You see, age limit is 18 to 30 years. All over India, level 2 7 CPC, their pay band is higher than the level 1, so they will be paid high. RPF Constable, then Railway Police Force Constable, 18 to 25 years, all over India, basic pay 21,700. So the person or the child who is having the 10th qualification, they also will be observed by the Indian Railway as constables. No? Then DLW apprenticeship recruitment, DLW diesel locomotive works, that is situated in the Varanasi of Uttar Pradesh. You see here. So here non-ITI apprenticeship, those who does not have the ITI, they also can get the apprenticeship. That is, year is 15 to 22 years, and as per the drill norms, they will get the salary. And after that, they will work there permanently. Railway apprenticeship here, ITI post 15 to 24 years, Western, that is Mumbai. Monthly stipend as per Western Railways, they will get the stipend as per the Western Railways norms. Government jobs after class 10th in defense. The defense sector is one of the highly reputed sectors. Lakhs of aspirants appear for various defense exams in order to have a glorious career in military paramilitary forces and directly serve the nation. Serving the defense sector is one of the best things you can do. There are various wings of Central Armed Police Forces which offer employment opportunities through the post of constables. The 10th pass government job in the defense field is mentioned in the table below. Go through the table carefully. We know many of the children or the most of the students after 10th, they are very much interested to job in the defense because they want to serve for the nation, because to work for the or serve for the nation is the one of the noblest work, noblest deed in the human life. So many persons want that. So there is also opportunity after 10th or class 10th, they can get or they can be observed as constable and any other post also in the defense sector. So you see, number 1 we will discuss multitasking, staff director, general, armed forces, medical services, etc. What are the posts? Gardener, that is they will have to look after the gardens, watchman, peon, messenger, sweeper, draftery. So all the age limit is 18 to 25 years. All over India, level 1 7th CP Central Pay Commission, that is more than 18,000 salary and other facilities they will have to get or they will get in these jobs. No? Next you see Ordnance Factory Board apprenticeship. There are more than 2-3 ordnance factories in India. Non-ITI apprenticeship, so the students who does not have the ITI, they can also get apprenticeship in these ordnance factories. Age 15 to 24 years, all over India. Their pay is 790% of the wage of semi-skilled workers as per notified the respective state unity. In that state, in which state the ordnance factory is situated, their salary will be 790% of the semi-skilled labor which is being that is fixed by that state. No. Then 3 BSF constable general duty 18 to 23 years. The functional areas of BSF including Indian Pakistan border and Indian Bangladesh border, they will have to work there, and their salary is 7th level 3 7th CPC. It means their salary is a little higher than the level 1 or level 2, so they will get the salary as per the Central Pay Commission, 7th Central Pay Commission. Then you see ITBP Constable, Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, that is Constable general duty, age is 18 to 23 years. ITBP is deployed in the India-China border region, that is in India-China border, level 3 7th CPC, salary is level 3. Assam Rifles Constable general duty, mechanic, 18 to 28 years. Assam Rifles guard the Indian Myanmar border, pay band 20,200 to 40,200. You see, their work is in the border of India, Myanmar. No. Next, CRPF Constable, Central Reserve Police Force. Constable, age is 18 to 23 years, all over India. Pay scale is 15,600 to 60,600 they can get as per their seniority. BRO, multi-skill worker, ITI worker, 18 to 25 years. Border areas of the country, level 1 7th CPC, they will get the salary as per the level 1. in the pay matrix of 7th Central Pay Commission. These are the jobs in the defense sector. Any student, any child or any person who has the only matriculation qualification, they can apply for these jobs, no, in defense. Then we'll discuss government sector 10th in Staff Selection Commission, SSC. The Staff Selection Commission conducts various exams like CHSL, CGL, etc. in order to recruit staff of various ministries and departments of the central government. You should understand, in different departments and ministries of central government, a number of posts are there for the qualification of a 10th pass, that is being selected by the SSC, that is Staff Selection Commission. The SSC exams are a gateway to be a direct part of the bureaucracy. It means if you have to part of the Indian government bureaucracy, you have to apply for those jobs through SSC Staff Selection. The exams conducted by SSC for the matriculation level are as follows. You see what are those posts. Number 1, SSC MTS. What are the posts? Gardener, peon, daftari, watchman, cleaning staff, junior generator operator. You see 825 years all over India. Pay band 5200 to 2020, that is old pay band. Now it is according to the 7th Pay Commission. Then you see SSC selection post, staff selection posts. What are those? Office attendant, field attendant, canteen attendant, binder. 1830 years all over India. Level 1 7th CPC level 1 salary they will get. It means more than 18,000 they will get the salary. That is recruited by the SSC in the selection examinations. Okay. And after government, after 10th Anganwadi jobs, that was by the SSC for various department and ministries of the government. Now Anganwadi, in every village there is Anganwadi. So in Anganwadi, it is recruited by the various state governments as per their norms. So you see the state governments conduct various recruitment for Anganwadis. These posts are for usually 8 to 10 candidates following are some of the recent recruitment. Here I have only discussed about 2, UP and AP, Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. In other states also like this, age is 21 to 35 years and their salaries is 7,000 to 11,500 or more than that, or in some states it is also below. Then we will go here also. You see the in Karnataka, Telangana, Gujarat also same Anganwadi worker, their salaries also different structure. Then we will discuss what the governments for class 10 in various states. Here this is important. In different states I am just focusing you just understand that which state you belong. You can give your child that opportunity, or you will promote your child to that to attend the examinations for that post. No, along with the central government, various state governments also offer 10th pass government job employees opportunity. These types of jobs are mostly available in the police force. Those candidates who don't wish to face any interstate transfer can appear for the state government recruitments mentioned the given below. The students who don't want to face interstate transfer from one state to another state, they can apply in their original states, so they can work there for different posts. You see, first I am discussing West Bengal, 827 years, excise constable, their salary is 5,400 to 25,200. Next we will go Bihar police constable. You see most of the posts in the state government are constable. After 10th constable 18-25 years, Bihar pay scale 5,200 to 20,200. Himachal Pradesh constable 25 years, here also 5,910 to 20,200. Jharkhand constable urban home guards 1830-1940, Jharkhand 21,700 plus GP 2,000. So you should remember all these posts are belong to this constable or home guards. Next, Odisha 9th Battalion Constable recruitment, Battalion Constable 18-23 years, Odisha Level 3 7th CPC. They will get the salary as per the Level 3 in the Central Pay Commission. That will be more than 22,000. You see. Next, Tripura Police Rifleman recruitment, Police Rifleman 18-23 years, Tripura INR 5,700 to 24,000. In Andhra Pradesh Police recruitment, Police Driver 18-30 years, Andhra Pradesh 20,500, 81,100 there will be salary as per their seniority. Maharashtra Police Constable Driver recruitment, Police Constable Driver 18-30 years, Maharashtra 15,000 to 40,000 their salary as per their seniority, it will be increased. No? Then Maharashtra Armed Forces Constable recruitment 825 years, Maharashtra 5200 to 20,200. Again Karnataka driver 24 to 30 years, driver that is 24 to 30 years, driver cum conductor 24 to 30 years, 10,000, 9,100. This is Road Transport Corporation of Karnataka. Any boy who has just completed the 10th, they cannot apply for this. Then Gujarat State Road Transport Corporation conductor job, male 8 to 35 years, female 8 to 40 years, Gujarat, level 1 7th CPC. They will get the salary as per the Lebunal pay matrix of the Central Pay Commission. Then HSC Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, you see Haryana 70 to 42 years, and this is 52,000 to 5,200 to 1,12,400. They can get the salary as per their seniority. What are the posts? Work supervisor, auto diesel mechanic, carpenter, plumber, receptionist cum teleconductor, painter, mason, lift operator, and electrician, blacksmith. All these jobs are there in Haryana. So they have to attend Haryana State Staff Selection Commission. The students who have only 10th qualification, they will attend the examination and they can get the job directly. Then Delhi Transport Corporation DTC bus driver 9 to 50 years, Delhi 500 to 5,200 to 29,200 their salary band. Then Karnataka for recruitment forest guard 8 to 35 years, Karnataka INR 21,400 to 42,000 their salary. So any boy who is having only 10th qualification, they also can apply for the forest guard here in Karnataka. Then Anganwadi recruitment we already have discussed, 18 years across India, 7,000 salary or less or more in according to the state norms. Then DDA recruitment male, Delhi 825 years, level 1 as per the CPC, 7th pay CPC. Then NCRB recruitment New Delhi, head constable, you see these posts are head constable, maximum 56 years, level 3 pay band 5,200 to 20,000. Then Samastipur maximum age 50 years, driver 9,300 to 30,800 their pay band. Then as junior division clerk typist 28 years, Kolkata 5,200 to 20,200. Then you see this is from also Kolkata, 18 to 40 years, field worker, Paribesh Bandhu, conservancy Mazdoor, low division clerk, sergeant. They have to attend MSCW recruitment. This is important, you have to remember, or you have to tell your child or the children or the students or the persons who have only 10th, they can apply for this level 1 of the PAT matrix of ROPA. So that is according to their pay fixation of the state. Then ESIC UDC 18-27 years, this is across India, level 4 INR. Stenographer at 18-27 years across India, level 4 and 25,500. NYK Steno multitask staff 28-25 years, New Delhi, level 1 18,000 to 56,900. You see SECL ITI, those students who have completed ITI, they can get trade apprenticeship 6 years. New Delhi, stipend 7,755 per month while training, then they will be observed there. Deputy surveyor 1833 years, Chhattisgarh, INR 31,852.56 salary per month. Mining Sardar 832 years, Chhattisgarh, 31,852.56 salary. Next, NCL apprenticeship Draghi Leopard, that's Coal Limited, 1830 years, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, INR 1,034.04 per day their pay. Dozer operator, grader operator, dumper operator, shovel operator, payloader operator, crane operator, drill operator, deputy surveyor. All those are in the mining department or mining section. Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, their salary is 1,011 for 27 paise per day, and this is deputy surveyor 830 years, Madhya Pradesh, 30,391.65 per month their salary. Then mining Sardar 1830 years, Madhya Pradesh, 31,852.56 their salary per month. Gale Potwari Gurna, salary is not known. Hindustan Shipyard Limited, driver 20 years maximum, Andhra Pradesh 20,000 per month. SSC Draftman 8 to 35 years. Ahmedabad 21,700 in a 61,100. Their salaries will increase as per the seniority. MS in West Bengal, that is field worker and general lieutenant, 18 to 35 years as per norms, salary. Then Uttar Pradesh, you see technician grade 18 to 40 years, they have to attend UPRVNL entrance. Here MSCWB West Bengal exam, they have to attend. Here in Uttar Pradesh, their salary 27,200 to 86,100. So all this you have to remember for every state, and you have to tell your child or the student who have passed 10th and they are unable to study higher, they can also apply for all these stuff in every state. This important, most important government jobs in Gramin Dak Sevak after class 10th. Now this is the very interesting job. Many of the students are aspiring for this service, and here the competency is very high. The students who have secured at least more than 90% in the exam, 10th board exam, they are also getting these jobs. GDS is one of the most reputed public organization in the country, that is Department of Post. The Gram Dak Sevak offers a lot of vacancies and various posts to candidates and aspirants who have completed their matriculation from branch postmaster, assistant branch postmaster, Dak Sevaks, etc. There is nothing better than being associated with the Indian Postal Department. The different exams conducted by the Gramin Dak Sevak for 10th class governments were given below. Here I will tell you, I am just giving only one state. Every state there is a circle, and in every circle all these posts are there. GDS is there, multi-skill staff postman are there. For GDS the qualification is 10th. For MTS that is +2, and postman is +2. After 10th also you can get this GDS and you can study. Also you can be promoted to a level of that is senior superintendent in this postal department. This is the interesting job that when you join as the GDS, your salary 10,000 to 12,000 per month. So I hope you will enjoy this video and you will know a lot about this job opportunities for the class 10 students who have secured good marks or less marks in 10th, and those are not interested to study more, or those are bound to close their study or bind the study there itself due to some crisis or due to some finance problem. They can get many jobs in these 10 certificates, but they have to attend SSC exam and many other entrance here. Okay, so I think you will enjoy this video and you will be benefited by this video, and tell your friends to subscribe this channel, and many more things will come in this channel like this video. Thank you.